Hi, I'm Jeff the Drinking Buddy. Today we're going to make the Aviation Cocktail. We're going to start with a lemon where we're going to use both the peel and the juice. So before I juice it, I'm going to take a peel off, which we're going to eventually use for a garnish. I use a potato peeler for this. Just going to set that aside. And juice the lemon. It's a gin-based cocktail. We're going to use Bombay Sapphire Gin, which is my favorite gin, and you're going to use 2 ounces of that. We're going to put that in the shaker along with some ice. A half an ounce of lemon juice. We're going to use a 1/4 ounce of Luxardo, which is a maraschino liqueur. That gives it a lot of its flavor, and we're going to use a 1/4 ounce of Creme de Violette, which is going to give a lot of its color. This is called the Aviation Cocktail because it's supposed to look like the sky when you're done. And the Creme de Violette, with its purple color, changes it into that light blue when mixed with everything else. So you want to go ahead and cover up your shaker and cook it for about 20 seconds. After you're done shaking, you want to put that in a cocktail glass. And then use that lemon peel and twist it into the glass and drop it in. I'm Jeff the Drinking Buddy, but I'm not your drinking buddy, so whether you're drinking fresh lemonade or fresh moonshine or something in between like this delicious aviation cocktail, call your buddy. Have him over for a drink tonight. Cheers. Forgot my cocktail glass.
It was behind there the whole time. What are you talking about?
I'm Jeff the Cocktail Buddy, but I'm not your cocktail buddy.
Drinking buddy.
After you shake it.